Using Word, we will utilize mailings again to create our labels. Again, using the wizard to merge the data in the recipients lists onto labels. So let's get started. Click on Mailings, Start Mail Merge, and again, step by step, Mail Merge Wizard. Again, there are 6 steps in merging to labels. First step is selecting the document type. We want to make sure that we click on Labels. Proceeding on to the second step, we select the starting document. We are going to be changing the document type because it is a label form. We want to change the document layout by choosing the label option. Now I'm using Avery product number 5160 as my label sheet, so I will press OK. Then I will proceed on to my third step, which is selecting the recipients. The list already exists. We want to make sure that Use an Existing List continues to be pressed on the circle there. We need to browse for our list though. So going into my folders, I will open the addresses, the addresses from the Mail Merge project. The data is in order, so I will proceed and open all documents. Step 4 asks us to arrange the labels. Here is where we select the data from the recipients list that we want to include in our label. If we choose more items, we can select each field individually and arrange them in the label, but this adds to our task. A simpler manner of merging pertinent data from the recipients list to the label is by choosing Address Block. This option already contains all the fields in the recipients list and will simply transfer the data and place it in the right place. As you will see, in the preview window of our label, it has the first name, last name, address, city, state, and zip in the manner in which I would want it to appear in the label. Press OK. We need to ensure that all of our labels are updated, so we need to press Update All Labels, which brings the address block onto each record. Step 5 allows us to preview our labels either as a whole document as seen in the screen or one by one. As you can see, it takes it to the next label. We can still make changes if necessary, but if the label is in order, we proceed to step 6, where we print and save the label. Now we can still make changes to our font styles. I use a basic font for my finished label, but the font can be changed depending on one's preference. Merging data from an address database simplifies the task of writing individual labels. And again, it is a preference, but one that I prefer.